Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, the IP exam schedule has been announced.
Yes.
Sir only sent in the group now.
Hello? Hello?
Yesterday, yesterday you have sent no, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Why? Any doubt? Anything to discuss regarding that? Pardon?
Nothing, sir.
May 1st or 2nd starting. No? Regarding IP, don't worry. IP, they won't be like this. It will be theory only. Define work, 4 mark. What is spring force? 4 mark. Prove that path of a projectile is parabola, 8 mark. You don't have this difficulty. That's the reason why IP everybody will be getting unnecessarily L40 sections almost 58, 60 they'll get. So there's some important questions they'll give. So I just posted for you that things are getting regularized because many people are under impression Corona no online classes. I may attend, I may not attend and all. But once physical classes start, online will be off. You have to come to the campus or leave the college, that's all. Once you come to the campus, definitely a true knowledge will come out now. There is no online exam. You'll be under observation what work you're doing. For keeping you alert, at least from now on, change your attitude, isn't. Not only you, generally student mentality is. Actually, I used to think students are being harassed for studies in all colleges. Now I am feeling that liberty is given, students take that as an advantage and get spoiled. This corona has taught me that lesson. No, 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 that is the best thing. That because many people see if I keep a class, they'll come whenever they want. Hmm. So this is a problem. Physical classes means will totally remove you from the roles. The problem now is we don't have a person to observe this. Our in charge is not involving in all this. Actually, he is supposed to stay here, remove the people from the roles. So anybody are having that attitude, change that or change the college. That's it. Simple thing, man. If you are taken to the college with almost zero fee or meager amount, 100% you have to give back. No, that is what any religion says. Okay, you cannot
Yes,
just
sir.
play the fool with the academics of college. No, if you don't get results, what will happen? The
Lost,
name
sir.
of the college will come next generation. Then management cannot run this Latifi program of giving free. No, that means many poor Muslims cannot have education of IIT. No, that means you are spoiling your community. No, nothing else. No, see, I am more committed than you people. Reason is this only. Because they're poor people, they're helping. Let us do something. Anyhow, I cannot provide a building, I cannot provide food, I cannot provide qualified lecturers for IIT free of cost. No, they're doing. Let me help. My role I'll play. For reminding you of that, I have just posted. Right, let's get back. And anyhow, whoever observes or not, God is observing our behavior. Definitely will take the right action. All the people are getting marks, their true marks, everything will come out, no? So anyhow, this is known fact. Two, management also is just waiting. Let college start, everything will set right.
It is starting by
So
February. College.
February 1st they are planning. But I
Our
told
college also. MS, sir.
hmm,
Our
MS
college,
only.
sir.
Oh, MS, they send messages no, to all people.
No, sir, didn't send us anything.
For you, I think it will come today or tomorrow. No, no, I just sent that only for a reminder, not that. For you, IP, actually for you means, actually for you people of Latifi 40 will never bother about IP. Read that?
Yes, sir, reading.
Understood this?
Yes.
Already this is sent to parents. I think for you they have to prepare a list actually who is actually to be taken something, I don't know. Let's come back to this. Now let us see the spring force. As you have seen earlier, what is spring force man? It is always equal to x dash. What is x?
Pressure.
No, not only you. This problem is online classes. Many students, Chaitanya and all our students are taking advantage of this. At least if people are disciplined. Chaitanya Narayana, they're using bad words, everything, making nuisance also. All that will cut short now. No? When we believe God, we should feel that God is omnipresent. Everywhere He is there and behave properly. I don't know, the behavior is in the absence of some online, nobody are observing, I can do anything. That definitely God will pull you into the offline. Na? Again, He'll face the troubles. No? Those people are not disciplined, they'll face the music now. No? Disciplined people, they'll be successful anywhere. If societies all are disciplined, good, why do we need policemen? 70% of our taxes we are spending for military and these police people only, just for security purpose. What is the use in that? Our taxes on all that. So if people are not behaving properly, student, management has to recruit more number of in charges to control you. More salary. More salary means more fees they have to collect. Everything is students' money on no? Suppose a single lecturer takes up total all topics, college can save money in form of salary. Each lecturer one topic he teaches, what will happen? More lectures, more salary. They have to collect more fee. Right. This is a compression. Remember this? What is the negative sign indicates?
The opposite direction of
Opposite direction.
both are along opposite direction.
So here length decreases now. So force will be the same.
Out. Okay.
On the other hand, this length is
Minus
suppose you have seen the power of God no recently. Corona has come by itself now.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
It decreased by itself now.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
There is no medicine for corona so far. Remember that vaccination also is not 100%. It's only better that feeling that's all. But by the time all people are vaccinated, this corona will vanish. This is what happens with all pandemics. Suddenly God will send something because of the behavior of the human beings or living beings on earth. We are not letting any creature to live on earth now with technology. We are protruding into the forest. We are trying to construct buildings in the ocean, spoiling the life of marine animals. and people are not doing, the teacher should do his duty, student should have do his duty, spare nothing. Everybody, students arguing with teachers, parents arguing with the teachers, teacher not doing all types of problem, not justice done to the student. Everywhere cheating has started. So God gave a warning, behave properly. Even now we don't change, and people are feeling that we have done something. What Modi has done for this corona? One nonsense that is. In that lockdown is given, not for corona. You know that? At least you are aware of that.
Yes, sir. Lockdown. Even
During lockdown, by the time corona first started in any country, in India at least, government doctors doesn't know what to do. So there is no proper PPE kits are not there, no mask, no gloves. Suddenly they closed all things and they started only manufacturing PPE kits. After sufficient number of PPE kits and isolation wards are ready, then the lockdown was lifted. That means lockdown was lifted for preparing for treating the patient. What is that patient treatment? Just the given Dolo tablet only. So God exists, behave properly, man. Don't think that God is not there. Then why do we pray God? Our behavior itself is the best prayer for towards God. Right. Now you can see, understood this. Now you can see what is the magnitude of spring force, man.
kx
Right. Now it's a variable force, no?
variable force with respect to elongation or compression.
Shall I turn this?
So
Hello.
one. Completed, sir.
Now after our offline classes start, again I have to repeat the entire physics from first lesson because otherwise results will come down next year. Now come back to this. Work done by spring force. Yesterday we discussed work done by variable force. Hope you remember now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Constant force
Yes,
variable.
sir.
So you
Yes,
have to
sir.
take F spring dot dx. Okay. This is F spring is in one direction, magnitude. You have to take F spring modulus dA, cos of the angle between them
180
opposite,
degrees.
no? This
Yes, sir.
is kx dx minus 1. So this is minus kx dx. What is the total extension?
Kx.
Initial extension to final
Final.
minus half k final square minus xi square. So W equals work done by spring. If I write like this, it means work done by spring force.
Minus half k x sub square minus xi square.
Xi is
Initially, initially,
initial extension or compression.
yes, sir.
Note on this.
Sir.
The whole academic calendar has cut right because of one exam. What is that?
JEE, I think.
Last year mains is the first examination. Last year second mains is the first examination to be conducted. People went to Supreme Court and our Supreme Court should conduct. After that, academic activity started. So that is the greatness of IIT exams. They pave the path for rest all things. Shall I turn that?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yesterday we are done on 3.5 joules, no?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Finish?
Yes, sir.
One second, wait. So now let us take graph between
Both and display.
can you tell these are opposite now? That means if this is positive, x is positive, f is negative, which quadrant will come?
Sir, fourth order.
So fourth quadrant, no?
Yes, sir.
Then this is negative, this is positive. Which quadrant is that?
Second order.
Remember this, you know this, no?
Yes, sir, we know it.
Right. Now this is a linear equation of straight line, no?
Yes,
What
sir.
is this?
Y
Y is
equal
equal
to
to
mx.
mx.
Passing through what?
Yes,
Origin, no?
yes, sir.
It will go like this, no?
Yes, sir, we know.
Now, what is the area under graph cake? For example, I am taking this area. So this is x equals initial, this is final. Understood what I am saying?
Understood, sir.
Accordingly, what will be this?
Sir, K initial.
Spring force, no?
Yes, sir. Kx of
Understood,
Kx of.
understood this or not?
Understood, sir.
Now, you know that earlier you learned that what is this area, man?
Integral f dx.
Integral f.
Integral f s p
F
dx.
dx. That is nothing but done only, no?
Work done. Yes, sir. Work done.
Do you agree till here?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Now let us find that area. What is that area?
Mm, half into
Half into sum of the parallel sides. This and this now.
yes, sir, minus k x of minus kxi
Into distance between them. What is the
of
distance?
minus xi.
So this is minus half k. Remember this?
Yes, sir. Remember x of plus xi. Uh, so x of plus xi. X of minus xi.
minus half k. You
square
got
root.
the same thing or not?
Same thing, sir. Same thing.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
One minute, sir.
1 minute.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. Completed, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir, completed.
Completed, sir.
Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Now you can see this implies that
F is in
oppositely directed now.
sir oppositely directed.
Okay. So what is the work done by force? Integral of
F dx.
directly I'll write.
F dx.
So this is nothing but
Minus k by x square. Sorry, dx minus minus k
he gave work done by from where to where.
x equal to a to x equal to 2.
X equal to 6.
Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So this is a graph given. Ten. Okay. In meters, this is in Newton. Okay, this is the graph here given. This is -10, -2. Force F understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now you know that from graph how to get the work done.
Area under the
Hmm.
surface graph.
So here for A, x is equal to -2 to x equals to 0, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can you tell what is the equation of that?
Sir, So f is equal to minus kx minus k.
What is m? Slope only, no?
Yes, sir. Negative slope.
No, positive only, no?
Ah, positive, positive. Yes, sir. Positive, sir. Positive. Yes, sir. 5.
Even here also same thing you will. Okay.
5x. Same line.
So here, do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir. Agree, sir. 5x dx.
Why to integrate? You can find the area not directly, no need. Area is how much?
Minus 2.
Half base. Base is how much?
2.
This one or no?
Yes, sir. 2.
Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. You are right, sir. You are right.
Yes, sir.
2. Height 10.
Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
Yes.
See how much you are getting?
10 joules.
Angel, sir.
This area only we need, no?
Sir, area under graph means under, no, sir. Means, uh, sir, area under graph means
This
down,
area,
no?
no?
Sir, other area, no, sir.
Why, man?
Sir, I didn't understand that point, sir. Can you please?
F versus X, no?
Yes.
This is y dx only, no?
Yes, sir. YDX.
This is area under
Graph. F.
F and X. This is F, this is X.
Yes, sir. So, why we are taking upper area,
This
sir?
area you want, this is nothing but X dy, no?
Sir,
This area is
YDX.
y dx.
Oh.
Understood this or not?
Yes, sir. Understood. Understood. Now understood, sir. Clear. Thank you, sir.
Now, what is the work done?
Work done is 10 joules.
No, no, no. Check up this. X is negative.
Negative.
Then X is increasing now, -2 to 0.
Yes, sir. X is increasing.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir. X is increasing.
And F is
X is also increasing.
Decreasing.
decreasing. See, X is going like this, F is going like this. -2 to 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Observe this carefully. X is -2 to X equals 0. X is along which one?
Along X axis.
Do you agree with it?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Now you can see if force is negative only, no?
Force is negative, sir.
F is negative, no?
Sir, F is negative.
So what is the work done?
Work done is equal to minus 10.
Understood why we have to take this? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, my doubt is, sir, when X is increasing, F is also increasing now, sir. So why it is
No,
coming
it's
like
not. X is decreasing.
yes, sir.
That means the displacement is this side. But any value of force is what? Negative only, no?
Negative. Yes, sir. Negative. So work done is
Followed this.
followed, sir. Sir, one more doubt, sir. Sir, here, force we found the equation now, sir. F is equal to 5x.
Hmm?
In that equation, according to that equation, both are on same direction now, sir. Force
Yes,
and
man. See, now I want work done. No?
yes, sir.
By integration, you do if you want.
Integral 5x dx.
X is minus 2 to x equals 0. No?
Yes, sir.
So you will get minus 10 if you want to check up. Right? You know, no integration.
Yes, sir.
Getting minus 10. No?
Yes, sir. Getting minus 10.
Hmm.
Clear, sir. Now clear.
Now you can see 0 to 2 x is increasing. No?
Increasing, increasing. Yes, sir. It is increasing.
0 to 2 x is increasing. Force is positive. No?
Yes, sir. Force.
Therefore, what will get work done? Area under curve. No?
Yes, sir.
Half base into 10, that is 10 joules. If you
Positive.
want, you can do by integration also, you'll get the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Integral of 5x dx. X is from where to where? X is equal to 0 to 2. You'll get the same 10 joules or not to check up.
Yes, sir. Same 10 joules. Correction.
So that means you can use, this is the answer for the second part. This is for part B. All this is for A. Is it clear?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
From the graph checkup, f is negative. Now x is increasing. Minus 2 to 0 means increasing now.
Increasing. But
See, x is increasing. Okay, but f is decreasing now. Minus 2 to 0, what will happen? It is going towards the origin. Agreed?
yes. Yes, sir. Going towards the origin.
So that's why you can cross check with integration if you want.
Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
you wrote there na, sir, from x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to 0, x is along positive and last line, sir, last. And x axis
F is negative,
negative.
no? X is like this, no?
Yes, sir.
But f value is what? Negative value only, no?
Sir, x is also negative na, sir, from minus 2 to it going.
Minus 2 to no. You know, direction of x, elongation direction we should know, no? See in f, remember this, f equals minus kx. For this we need to know the direction. Agreed? Negative sign is actually what? Direction of x. So x direction is like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
X
got
is
it.
decreasing, f is increasing. To avoid confusion, that's why cross check with integration. That will be easier for you. Why I gave this problem is usually from this you'll take negative, negative, positive, 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 positive. You'll get this as negative, half base. Agreed? This is also positive, you'll get this is also positive. That is wrong, I am saying. So check by integration.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
This area, if you calculate work done by that area, it should be coinciding with the work done using that integration. No?
Sir,
Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
yes, sir.
1 minute. first we have to find that equation method for finding that using integral.
Hmm?
Sir, we have to find equation method first by using that formula mx.
Which equation?
That line equation, sir, so that we can integrate.
What is that you want? Line equation already we found, no?
No, sir, I'm asking for every problem we should find that equation, sir, to integrate.
Otherwise, how you will integrate f, man, tell? Only f, how you will integrate f should be known, no?
Sir,
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, what is the position vector actually? Position vector is nothing but, remember, in your vectors you have learned this.
Yes, sir. Position with
So
respect
if you
to
find the changes in that, do you agree with this?
agree, sir.
Actually, earlier we have taken only along x-axis. Now, suppose force vector is, it is having components like this. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Because sometimes force may be varying in all the directions. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agree.
So here, see, again the same story, no?
Yes, sir.
What is R?
Uh, 1 minus 1 I can plus dy j cap plus dz k cap.
From to. That means what we should take?
First, final
Final.
B.
Final is what?
B is 2 minus 3j plus 4 minus 4k. 4 minus 4. So, sir, 3
Final
minus.
minus initial, no?
Yes, sir, 3 minus 4. Yes,
See,
sir.
remember, this is final
Minus initial.
minus initial. Now, once you know that, your problem is solved, no?
Yes, sir, solved. Almost.
Okay. Clear? So remember, this should not be done. That's why I done this. Okay. So always use this. Here it can do. Force is constant. If force is variable, you cannot do that.
Yes, sir.
Use this. Here you can do force is constant, but generally force will be given as variable.
2i plus 3j plus okay. Dot.
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agree.
So this can be taken as dx.
2dx. 2d.
3. Remember dot product?
Yes, sir. Remember. For integral dx.
Now you have to substitute the variation. X is from 2,
X is from
x equals 1. Similarly, y is from 3,
2i is from
y is
2.
2. Z is from 4. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
See how much you are getting? You can integrate this now.
Yes, sir. We can integrate, sir.
Complete it.
So, 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
That's 9 joule.
Complete it.
So, doing, sir. Doing.
How much you got?
Minus 9
Sir,
joules.
Minus
Minus 9.
9. Am I right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? So, this concept of work done is again connected with other chapters. Like that, we are adding brick by brick. Each lesson is like a brick. So, totally the building will become stronger. The bricks are stronger. Now, if people are absent for this or you don't do the work and that will reflect, building will be becoming weaker. Stronger building will be having more market value, no?
yes, sir. Sir, completed, sir.
Right. No, you know that work done is how much?
Integral f dot dr. Integral 3x square I cap plus 2y j cap dot dx I cap plus dy j cap dz k.
This dot, this, how much you'll get?
2y dy plus 0. 3 integral x is 2 integral y
X is varying from where to where? 2.
from 2 to
X
4.
equals 4. Y is varying from
3
3
to y
to
minus
6. I think you can integrate this now.
yes, sir. We can.
Shall I turn this? How much you got?
Doing, sir.
83 joules, sir.
83. Yes, sir. 83 joules, sir.
Right, good. Take another problem. Completed?
Completed, sir.
You can do it now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can do, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, sir, if integral y dx k means, then we have to take limits now, sir. With respect to which variable, sir? X or y? We will
That's
take
what.
x.
That is a twist in this question. See here. That's why I said how you'll shift over. I want to know. That is where your grip on maths will be coming out. You finish your differentiation also, no?
No, sir.
No, sir. Now going on to
Okay, going on now, I'm saying, you know what is differentiation, no?
yes, sir.
That is enough to solve this problem. Okay,
Sir,
this is, you know, differentiation of product of two functions now?
yes, sir.
okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's all, that same concept here. Can't I use like this?
Yes,
Y
sir.
into dx plus x into dy. Or, what is this you have? Integral of xy is what? See, remember, integral of dp is nothing but p only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here x is 0, y is 0. Here x is 1, finally y is 1. So see, you are unable to switch over, hopeless fellows.
Sorry, sir.
Small changes you are unable to do. Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Sir,
Tell.
you use the product code here, no, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. Nothing, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Minutes, sir. Completed, sir.
See, in all the three examples, what is the first example?
2y plus 3k plus 4k.
Displacement is from where to where?
One, sorry, so 2, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 3.
Second example, okay, from where
2i
to
plus
where?
3j. 2i plus 3j. 4i plus 6j.
4i plus 6j.
The third one,
yi plus xj from 0 comma 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 comma 1.
now we can see in all the three examples, while computing work, we did not mention the path, no?
No, sir. Did not mention path.
What we need only
Only magnitude.
Initial and final.
Initial and final coordinates needed.
understood this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have seen that
Path.
understood this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Sir, path independent, no, sir. Or that means path dependent only. Yes,
Independent. Okay.
clear, sir.
Now you can see, for example, first situation you do, work done. How much you got, man, this one?
2i plus 3j plus 4k into dx plus dy. Sorry,
Already I
dyj.
computed this. How much you got? First
Minus
part is
9.
that
Minus
minus
9,
9.
sir.
This is the work done from A to B. Now just do the work from B to A. What you will
9.
get?
Plus 9. Plus 9.
9.
You will get plus 9. That means work done from A to B, again work done by B to A is what? 0 only, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
That means, what conclusion can we make? Work done in a
Yes,
closed path. These are conservative forces, no?
yes, sir.
Work done in a closed path. Closed path means to and fro. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Closed path means you can say initial and final points are same. By which force?
Uh,
Under conservative force. Is what?
yes,
Clear?
sir, sir, calm down, sir. Sir,
Tell.
uh, so this conservative idea, no, sir. Sir, it is related to work done or force, sir. What,
Pardon?
sir? We are telling about conservative force, no, sir. Not about
Yes.
work.
Now we are talking about conservative forces. What are conservative forces? Conservative forces should be path independent for when we are calculating work. That means, what is a conservative force means? Work done by that force must be path independent, and work done by that force along a closed path must be zero. Understood this?
Yes, understood.
These are the two attributes of a conservative force. Any
Yes,
doubt?
no doubt, sir.
No,
Please.
sir.
Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Tell.
Work done is a scalar quantity, no, sir.
Yes. Work
So,
done is a scalar.
it must not be related with the path, no, sir. Means if path change, sign also changing, sir. That's it.
No, no. If work is some forces are path, friction force is there. If you take friction force, suppose you are displacing from one body. For example, I'll take this. Body is displaced from here to here. Force of friction is this is x. What is that? Friction force is negative. Work done. Again, you bring the body this side. This is force. Again negative. The sum won't be zero, no?
No, not be zero.
Either in any direction you're getting total negative plus negative is again negative, no, it's not zero. Therefore, friction force is non-conservative. Agreed?
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. We'll continue in the next class, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Take care then. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.